In today's Python class, we will learn about functions and modules.
Welcome back, students. In our last class, we wrote our first Python program. In programming, we often repeat the same code again and again. To avoid repetition, Python allows us to create something called a function. Here's a simple function to greet someone. We define it with def, then call it by name. A function is like a small machine that performs a specific task. Let us write our first function. First, the function definition. Then, the print statement indented. Finally, we call the function. And there we have it, our first working function.
The keyword def is used to define a function in Python. After writing df, we write the function name. To run a function, we simply call the function with a value name. Now Python executes the code inside the function. It starts with the print statement, combining hello with the name Alice. This creates the output hello Alice, and that's function execution.
Functions help us organize and reuse code easily. For example, this function called greet can be used with different names. This makes our code efficient and easy to maintain. Let us write a function that adds two numbers.
Let us write a function that adds two numbers. This function takes two parameters and returns their sum.
Here we define add with x and y as parameters. Now on the laptop, the print statement should be print add of 5, 3. The function receives numbers and calculates the result. A function can return a value using the return statement. Let's see this on the board.
This returned value can be used later in the program.
Now let us learn about modules in Python. A module is a file containing useful Python functions. Python already provides many built-in modules. To use a module, we write the import statement. Now we can perform advanced calculations easily. Sometimes programs produce errors. For example, dividing a number by 0. To handle errors, Python provides exception handling. We use try and except blocks to manage errors. Let us write a simple example. First, we define the function, then we add the risky code inside the try block. Finally, we handle the error in the except block.
Python also has many powerful libraries. For example, NumPy for advanced math and data analysis, and pandas make complex tasks easier.
We can use libraries for graphics, data science, and AI.
Some famous libraries are NumPy, pandas, and matplotlib. Today we learned functions, modules, exception handling, and libraries. If you enjoyed this class, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, write them in the comments.
Hello everyone, let's talk about YouTube's key features. This play button starts the video. Click like and comment to engage and share with the arrow icon. Your feedback helps us grow. Thanks for watching.